Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore the best diagram software options for restaurants. Whether you're planning a new layout, managing workflows, or designing kitchen processes, the right tool can make a world of difference. We'll walk you through the top choices, their features, and how they can help streamline your restaurant operations. Let's dive in and discover which diagram software is best suited for your needs, ensuring efficiency and clarity in your daily business activities. Diagrams play a crucial role in restaurant management. They help visualize floor plans, kitchen workflows, seating arrangements, and even staff responsibilities. By using diagrams, you can easily communicate ideas to your team, optimize space, and improve service flow. This not only enhances customer experience, but also boosts staff efficiency. In the fast-paced restaurant industry, having clear visual aids can prevent misunderstandings and costly mistakes. Let's see how the right software can make this process seamless. When choosing diagram software for your restaurant, focus on key features. Look for tools that offer easy drag-and-drop interfaces, customizable templates, and support for various diagram types like floor plans and flowcharts. Integration with other software, such as POS systems or scheduling tools, can be a big plus. Also, consider collaboration features, so multiple team members can work together in real time. These aspects will help you create effective diagrams quickly and efficiently. Flowchart is a popular diagram software known for its intuitive interface and versatility. It allows you to create detailed floor plans, process diagrams, and organizational charts with ease. Flowchart's cloud-based platform means you can access your diagrams from anywhere, and its collaboration features let your team work together in real time. For restaurants, this means you can quickly update layouts or workflows as your needs change, keeping everyone on the same page. One of Flowchart's strengths is its ability to create restaurant floor plans. You can use its drag-and-drop shapes to design seating areas, kitchen layouts, and service stations. The software also lets you adjust dimensions and add custom labels, making it easy to visualize your space. This is especially helpful for planning renovations or rearranging tables to accommodate more guests or improve traffic flow. Collaboration is key in restaurant management, and Flowchart excels here. Multiple team members can edit diagrams at the same time, leave comments, and track changes. This ensures that everyone, from managers to kitchen staff, is aligned on the latest plans. Real-time updates mean no one is left out of the loop, making teamwork more efficient and reducing the risk of errors. SmartDraw is another excellent diagram software option for restaurants. It offers a wide range of templates specifically designed for floor plans, kitchen layouts, and organizational charts. The software's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to start designing, even without prior experience. SmartDraw also integrates with tools like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace, making it a flexible choice for busy restaurant teams. With SmartDraw, creating a restaurant floor plan is straightforward. The software provides pre-made symbols for tables, chairs, kitchen equipment, and more. You can quickly arrange these elements to visualize your ideal layout. SmartDraw's precision tools help ensure accurate measurements, which is essential for maximizing your space and meeting safety regulations. SmartDraw supports team collaboration by allowing you to share diagrams easily with colleagues. You can export your plans as PDFs or images, or share them directly via cloud links. This makes it simple to gather feedback and make adjustments as needed. For restaurants with multiple locations or large teams, this feature is especially valuable. eDrawMax is a versatile diagram software that's gaining popularity among restaurant owners. It offers a wide range of templates and symbols for creating detailed floor plans, workflow diagrams, and even menu layouts. eDrawMax's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, and its export options make it easy to share your work with others. Whether you're designing a new space or optimizing existing processes, eDrawMax has you covered. eDrawMax stands out for its comprehensive floor plan tools. You can choose from a library of restaurant-specific symbols, including tables, kitchen appliances, and service counters. The software allows you to customize dimensions and add text labels, making it easy to create professional-looking layouts. This helps ensure your restaurant is both functional and visually appealing. Collaboration is made easy with eDrawMax. You can invite team members to view or edit diagrams, ensuring everyone is involved in the planning process. The software also supports cloud storage, so your diagrams are always accessible and up to date. This is especially useful for restaurants with rotating staff or multiple managers. Canva is widely known for its graphic design capabilities, but it's also a great tool for creating simple diagrams and layouts. With its user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, you can quickly design seating charts, workflow diagrams, and even menu boards. Canva's drag-and-drop functionality makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of design experience. Canva makes collaboration easy by allowing you to share designs with your team via links or email. Team members can leave comments or make edits, ensuring everyone's input is considered. This is perfect for restaurants that value teamwork and want to keep everyone involved in the planning process. Microsoft Visio is a powerful diagramming tool that's well suited for professional use. It offers advanced features for creating detailed floor plans, workflow diagrams, and organizational charts. Visio integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, making it a great choice for restaurants already using Office 365. Its robust set of tools is ideal for larger operations or those needing precise technical diagrams. With Visio, you can create highly detailed and accurate restaurant floor plans. The software provides a wide range of shapes and stencils for tables, kitchen equipment, and more. You can set precise dimensions and align elements perfectly, ensuring your layout meets all safety and operational requirements. This level of detail is especially valuable for new builds or major renovations. Visio supports collaboration through cloud sharing and real-time editing. You can invite team members to view or edit diagrams, making it easy to gather feedback and implement changes. This ensures that everyone involved in the restaurant's operations has access to the latest plans and can contribute their expertise. Creately is a flexible diagram software that's great for restaurants needing both floor plans and workflow diagrams. Its simple interface allows you to quickly sketch out ideas, and its collaboration tools make it easy to work with your team. Creately also offers a variety of templates, so you can get started right away without building diagrams from scratch. Creately's floor planning tools are designed to be intuitive and efficient. You can drag and drop elements like tables, chairs, and kitchen equipment to create a layout that fits your space. The software also supports real-time collaboration, so your team can contribute ideas and make adjustments together, ensuring the final plan works for everyone. Beyond floor plans, Creately is excellent for mapping out restaurant workflows. You can create diagrams for kitchen processes, staff responsibilities, and service flows. These visual aids help clarify roles and streamline operations, making it easier to train new staff and maintain consistency in service. Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a free and open-source diagram software. It's a great option for restaurants on a budget who still need powerful diagramming tools. Draw.io offers a range of templates and shapes for floor plans, workflows, and more. Its integration with Google Drive and other cloud services makes sharing and collaboration easy. With Draw.io, you can create basic restaurant floor plans using its library of shapes and icons. While it may not have as many restaurant-specific templates as other tools, its flexibility allows you to build custom layouts that suit your needs. The software's simple interface makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of technical skill. Draw.io supports collaboration through cloud storage and sharing links. You can invite team members to view or edit diagrams, making it easy to gather feedback and make changes. This is especially useful for restaurants with distributed teams or those who need to share plans with external consultants. A floor plan diagram is a visual representation of a restaurant's physical space. It shows the arrangement of tables, chairs, kitchen equipment, and other key elements. Floor plans help optimize space, ensure smooth traffic flow, and comply with safety regulations. They are essential for both new restaurant setups and ongoing operations. A workflow diagram maps out the sequence of tasks and processes in a restaurant. It can illustrate kitchen operations, order processing, or staff responsibilities. Workflow diagrams help identify bottlenecks, improve efficiency, and ensure everyone knows their role. They are valuable tools for training and daily management. Let's look at a schematic example of a restaurant floor plan. Imagine a rectangular space divided into a dining area, kitchen, and service counter. Tables and chairs are arranged to maximize seating while maintaining clear walkways. The kitchen is positioned at the back with easy access to the service counter. This layout helps ensure efficient service and a pleasant dining experience. Now, let's visualize a kitchen workflow diagram. This schematic shows the flow of food preparation, cooking, plating, and delivery to the dining area. Each step is connected with arrows, illustrating the sequence and helping staff understand their roles. Such diagrams are essential for training and maintaining consistency in busy kitchens. In today's fast-paced environment, mobile compatibility is a must. Many diagram software options offer mobile apps or responsive web interfaces, allowing you to view and edit diagrams on the go. This is especially useful for restaurant managers who need to make quick changes or share updates with staff during busy hours. Integration with other business tools can greatly enhance your diagram software's usefulness. Look for options that connect with scheduling, POS, or inventory systems. This allows you to keep all your data in sync and streamline your restaurant's operations, reducing manual work and minimizing errors. Cloud storage is a key feature in modern diagram software. It ensures your diagrams are always backed up and accessible from any device. This is particularly helpful for restaurants with multiple locations or managers who need to access plans remotely. Cloud storage also makes collaboration smoother, as everyone works from the latest version. A user-friendly interface is essential for busy restaurant teams. The best diagram software offers intuitive controls, clear menus, and helpful tutorials. This reduces the learning curve and ensures everyone can contribute to planning and design, regardless of their technical background. Template libraries save time and provide inspiration. Most leading diagram software includes a variety of templates for restaurant layouts, workflows, and organizational charts. These ready-made designs help you get started quickly and can be customized to fit your unique needs. Cost is always a factor when choosing software. Some diagram tools offer free versions with basic features, while others require a subscription for advanced capabilities. Consider your restaurant's budget and needs when making a decision. Remember, investing in the right tool can save time and money in the long run. Security and privacy are important when handling restaurant data. Choose diagram software that offers secure cloud storage, data encryption, and user access controls. This protects your sensitive information and ensures only authorized team members can view or edit your diagrams. Good support and training resources can make a big difference. Look for diagram software that offers tutorials, help centers, and responsive customer support. This ensures your team can quickly resolve issues and make the most of the software's features, leading to smoother operations. Every restaurant is unique, so customization is key. The best diagram software allows you to adjust layouts, add custom labels, and import your own icons or images. This flexibility ensures your diagrams accurately reflect your restaurant's specific needs and branding. Export and sharing features are essential for communicating plans with your team or external partners. Look for software that lets you export diagrams as PDFs, images, or shareable links. This makes it easy to print plans, email them to contractors, or display them on digital screens in your restaurant. As your restaurant grows, your diagram software should scale with you. Choose tools that can handle multiple locations, larger teams, and more complex layouts. This ensures you won't outgrow your software as your business expands, saving you from having to switch tools later. Let's consider a small restaurant looking to optimize its seating and kitchen workflow. Using a tool like Flowchart or Draw.io, the owner can quickly sketch out different layouts, test seating arrangements, and share ideas with staff. This helps maximize space and improve service without a large investment. Now, imagine a large restaurant chain with multiple locations. A robust tool like Visio or SmartDraw can help standardize layouts, manage complex workflows, and ensure consistency across all branches. Collaboration and cloud features make it easy for managers at different sites to stay aligned and implement best practices. When selecting diagram software, start by listing your restaurant's specific needs. Consider your team's technical skills, the types of diagrams you need, and your budget. Test out free trials or demos to see which interface feels most comfortable. Don't forget to check for integration and collaboration features that fit your workflow. Avoid choosing software that's too complex or lacks essential features. Don't overlook the importance of collaboration and mobile access. Make sure the tool you pick can grow with your business and is easy for your team to learn. Taking the time to choose wisely will pay off in smoother operations and better results. To recap, Flowchart, SmartDraw, eDrawMax, Canva, Visio, Creately, and Draw.io are all excellent diagram software options for restaurants. Each offers unique features, so the best choice depends on your specific needs, team size, and budget. Focus on ease of use, collaboration, and the ability to create the diagrams most important to your business. Choosing the right diagram software can transform your restaurant's planning and operations. With the right tool, you'll improve communication, optimize layouts, and streamline workflows. Take the time to evaluate your options and select the software that best fits your needs. Your team and your customers will thank you for it. Thank you for watching our quick guide to the best diagram software for restaurants. We hope this overview helps you make an informed decision and brings greater efficiency to your restaurant operations. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to help your business thrive.